Today we're exploring the exciting world of Solana Memecoins in 3 levels of degeneracy. The Solana ecosystem has captured the imagination of creators and traders from around the world with an explosive mix of humor, creativity, and of course, speculation. Remember the wild rise of Dogecoin last cycle? Its peak market cap of $90 billion gives us a hint of the potential awaiting in this current meme coin frenzy. The absurdly high valuations on Solana Memecoins have led to a theory that the lowest IQ strategies will likely perform the best this cycle. We've seen misspelled politician and celebrity tokens mooning ahead of the elections, and of course cat and dog memes with billion-dollar valuations. That said, meme coins have no intrinsic or fundamental value. As the name suggests, they are memes and your capital is at risk. Trade with caution and do not gamble with more than you can afford to lose. Alright, so you've got your mind made up, you're ready to start trading Solana meme coins, but where do you start? You start by getting a Solana compatible wallet so you can use your assets in the ecosystem. Solflare, Phantom, and Exodus are prime examples of popular wallets you can use. We're going to be going with Phantom today, and a nice bonus is that you can split your wallet into sub-accounts to separate, for instance, your NFT funds and your Degen funds. Alright, so we've got a Phantom wallet set up. Next, we're looking at where we can start trading these meme coins. But before we dive in, if you want more content on Solana, the bull run, and meme coins, then hit those subscribe and notification buttons to be the first to know when we release new content. Right, let's start with the lowest level of degeneracy. We have our wallet. Where do we find these meme coins? Step 1 is to use a decentralized exchange like Jupiter or Radium. But before we head there, let's quickly head over to Dex Screener. Here we can filter by ecosystem to see the trending coins on various layer 1 and layer 2s, along with some key indicators. Now you can also create your own filters to only display tokens with a relatively high trade volume, or perhaps certain market cap ranges to eliminate the weaker or riskier meme coins. Now that you're all set with your wallet and you know how to use Dex Screener to select meme coins you want to trade, where can you trade these elusive meme coins that have massive returns? Well, a solid place to start is Jupiter, as we mentioned earlier. Now bear in mind the gas fees are tiny compared to Ethereum, but we still need some SOL to cover the gas fees. We're going to start by going to jupe.ag and of course connecting our wallet. And once we're connected, if you're ready to ape straight in with perhaps one of the more established meme coins like Bonk, you can use the swap tab which opens automatically. Here you can place market orders with the best prices that are available. So I'll input 50 USDC as an example, and let's use this drop-down menu to select Bonk, which, as we said, is one of the more established meme coins on Solana. So once I've selected the token that I want to pay with, the token that I want to receive, and the amount, I can go ahead and execute. Now, once again, buying Bonk or even any other established meme coin is a high-risk activity, and this video is not endorsing any particular meme. All right, let's say you've made your first meme coin trade, but what if you feel a bit like a boomer who's simply trading stocks? What if while you're waiting for the price to pump, you want something more degen? What can you do? Well, using a Telegram trading bot like Banana Gun might be the option for you. Banana Gun is a Telegram-based trading bot that allows you to snipe upcoming launches or even buy tokens that are already live. It recently surpassed $2 billion of all-time trading volume and 100,000 users, despite a rocky start back in 2023. They also became one of the 47 winners in Blast's recent Big Bang competition, and for more information you can see our video on Blast airdrop opportunities. In just 8 months, the Banana bots have generated an impressive $23 million of revenue for users, of which 40% was shared with Banana token holders. That means users received a share of over $9 million distributed to the community. So to get started, we're going to head over to Telegram and we're going to search for Banana Gun Solana _bot and we're going to hit start. So we're going to hit start and complete the registration process. We go to settings, wallet settings. Now we're going to start by creating a new wallet here, but you can also choose to import an existing wallet if you prefer. So we go to wallet setup, create a wallet. And we're going to type in the name of our wallet. Let's go for Degen Sniper Level 2 Test. You can change the name of your wallet, of course, later on through settings and then wallet settings. So we're greeted with a response. We have our wallet. It's been named. Now you'll be given the private keys, so make sure you keep them in a safe place. And if you lose this, you will lose access to the wallet and also the funds within. Now once you're set up with a wallet, you'll need to fund it with some SOL to make some purchases and cover the gas fees. So we're going to click on settings and then transfer tokens, and we're going to copy the wallet address and send some funds. So once I click on transfer token, I see my wallet address and I can copy this by clicking on it and send some funds. Now once we've funded our bot and found a token we want to buy, we can paste the token address straight into the chat. For instance, we're going to go ahead and paste the dog with hat address because that is another one of the more established meme coins on Solana, and we'll buy some. As you can see, once I've pasted the token address, I see the market cap, I can see the amount that I'm allowed to buy, so I can just go ahead and click buy 0.25 SOL, and that transaction is now pending. To close my position, I can simply click on switch to sell, and all of the buy options become sell options displayed all in the same interface. Right, so you've mastered the second tier of degeneracy, but let's say you're still hungry for more. What can you do? Maybe using Photon to snipe coins is the level of degen you're looking for. Photon is another trading option on Solana, claiming to be a faster alternative than Bird Eye and Dex Screener. Traders can discover new tokens and filter it the same way we saw on Dex Screener earlier. Now it offers a quick buy and a quick sell option, which will execute transactions in a minimal amount of time, and it lets traders monitor and update their portfolios as well. But the real magic and the real degeneracy here comes from the fact that traders can ape into tokens with very, very low market caps almost straight after launch. And this potentially promises huge returns if the token pumps. But the inverse is also true, meaning you can get wrecked very, very easily. So to get started, we're going to head over to Photon's website and we're going to connect our wallet. Now, once we're in, we're going to generate a Photon trading wallet, and make sure you keep this information safe because if you lose it, they won't give it to you again. So we're immediately greeted by the new pairs page, which will display all the token pairs launched in the last 24 hours. And if we want to see slightly older and more established tokens, we can head over to the trending tab. And here we'll be able to filter this by 1 minute, 5 minute, 30 minute, and 1 hour timeframes. So once I'm on the 1 hour time frame, I can click on created. And here I'll be able to see all the tokens that were created in that time frame. And if I scroll a bit to the right, I'll also be able to filter by things like volume and the performance over 1, 5, 30, and 60 minutes. Now, depending on your risk appetite, you can view tokens that were created very recently or ones that have traded for a while by toggling the time or filters. And another easy way to search for tokens is just the filter menu. As we saw earlier, we can click on this and input minimum and maximum parameters, for example, market cap or by volume. Let's put that as a minimum and our maximum should be 50 million. And if I apply, it's going to give me all the tokens that have launched within that time frame with the parameters that I've specified. So for the sake of this video, we are going to search for Solana, which is another example of a slightly more established meme coin. Now, once we've selected a token pair, we can click on it to view the chart itself. And what I like to do is sort of zoom out on the slightly higher time frames so I can get a better feel for price action and hopefully avoid buying the very top of it. Now, once we're in this page, we can input the amount that we want to buy either by using these buttons, by clicking 0.25 SOL, for example, or manually entering, for example, 0.1 SOL, and I'll hit the quick buy button. Now, to close the position, it's very similar to the trading bot that we saw on Telegram. I just click on the sell tab, and I can choose to sell 25% of my position, 50%, or the entirety of my position with just 2 clicks. So there we have it, 3 increasing levels of degeneracy when trading Solana meme coins. As a final reminder, none of the content in this video is financial advice, and it's meant solely for educational and entertainment purposes. The smaller and newer the token you ape into, the higher the risk of getting wrecked. Please don't risk any more than you can afford to lose, but if you must, have fun and stay defiant.